Hi, my name is Pastor G, otherwise known as Standing Ngoni Jashi Gwanzura. I am an artist, gospel artist, and a proud member of the Zimbabwe Music Rights Association since the year 2000. I want to encourage everyone out there, every artist out there, if your music is being played on radio and you are not a member of Zimura, means that you are losing out on revenue that could be coming to you. It doesn't matter how much it is. What matters is the principle that your music actually has some value. And for you to actually benefit from that value, you need to become a member of Zimura. Why? Because Zimura collects royalties on your behalf. Whenever music is played on radio or television or any form of media, it generates what is known as revenue through ad revenue. And ad revenue is simply this: when advertisers advertise on those media platforms, they have to pay money to those particular forms of media, and as a result that money accrues, and then is a percentage of that money from advertising is paid to the artists in Zimbabwe. And so you get a percentage of the artist, of the percentage that's paid to the artist. So it's important that you become a member of Zimura. Secondly, when music is played on other platforms, for example, in the United States or in other media platforms in Germany, or you name it, or festivals or wherever, you find that your music also gains value. Zimura collects revenue for you. So make sure you become a member of Zimura so that you'll be able to benefit from the value your music is creating. I'm signing out. I'm Pastor G.